Hey guys, it is Margie from Reclaimed by Ramsey, and today we have a really great video for you and a little mini announcement that we have a new website, www.reclaimedbyramsey.com. And so all of the stencils that you're going to see us use today in today's video are up and available. So today we're going to be stenciling on 3 different types of material. We're going to stencil on wood, we're going to stencil on metal, and we're going to stencil on glass. So if you think you're going to like that, stay tuned. Now today I am just using a chip brush and some leftover paint. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love Heirloom Traditions paint, and this is one of my favorite colors. It's called Crete, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to be giving it one coat to start with the chip brush, and then I'll let it dry and I'll come back and I will do a second coat, but it really gives great coverage. Next, we have one of these jugs, and you can pick these up sometimes at thrift stores, but honestly, these are from alcohol. And I always figure if I can make something out of it and resell it, then I've actually paid for my alcohol. Isn't that great? Anyway, but if you don't drink, you can, raid your neighbor's recycling bin on recycling day. You find all kinds of great glassware in there. So what we're going to do is we have this is one of the stencils that comes in a little pack for spring, and this one says Hello Spring. And I have just simply spray painted this bottle. Regular Rust-Oleum matte white spray paint. You don't have to do anything special to it. I know. Now that I've taped it down, I'm just going to get to stenciling. I like to take my stencils off right away, and then I can see if anything needs touched up. I will be embellishing it, so make sure you stay tuned to the end to see how it turns out. Here I am just going to continue to stencil, and I'm using a couple different colors and one of our JRV stencils, which if you would like to purchase one, any of the stencils that we've used today, you can hop on over to reclaimedbyramsey.com and we'll get one out to you. But I'm just going to continue to do the dabbing motion. That is my favorite way to stencil. Here I'm going in with the blue paint, just a shade lighter than that grayish color that I did on the sheep, and I'm just going to go around and do all of the flowers and the stems on this. Stay tuned to the end to see how it looks. Now I'm giving that little stool a second coat of paint with just a chip brush, and you'll see it gives great coverage, but I am going to be distressing it and adding a stencil, so stay tuned. Now my paint is still a little tacky, but I'm taking a damp paper towel and I'm just going over the edges to wet distress it. And this is great to do indoors when you don't want to have sanding dust everywhere. Here I'm just making sure that I get all the edges and the places where there would be natural wear. On to the last stencil, and this one is absolutely adorable. Wait till you see it at the end. It is the best, cutest little bunny for spring, and I think you're really going to like it. Don't forget to stop over to reclaimedbyramsey.com when you're all done watching the video today. Up next is a little hack that I like to use when I'm distressing a bottle. I just use my little ink pad and go around the edges, and that way I don't have to paint it black first and even use sandpaper to distress it. So it's just a great little hack. So guys, what did you think? Which item was your favorite? I have to say, I think I'm in love with the little stool that we did in that beautiful Crete color from Heirloom Traditions paint. But honestly, I love the sap bucket and the little bottle as well. So if you liked the video, just give us the thumbs up. Do all the social media, do the clicking and the liking and the sharing. And you can find us now on Instagram, you can find us here on YouTube, and you can find us on Facebook. We have a pretty good following over there on Facebook. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please let us know in the comments, and I really would love you to share the video out. It really helps our channel grow. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.